Happy 3-year anniversary to Myfirstwig. Use coupon code anniversary to get $30 off your wig plus a wig kit.
I don't wanna ever lose you. I don't wanna ever lose, I don't wanna ever lose you. I think about you with everything that I do. Yeah. I don't wanna ever lose, I don't wanna ever lose you. I don't wanna lose you.
You guys, I have a wig show and tell for you guys today. Today's wig is brought to you by Myfirstwig. This is my first time working with this company. The wig comes in this nice little box, and also when you open up the box, you have your card with your information on it. Side of the box, it also comes with some goodies, especially if it's your first time trying to style a wig. These goodies is really helpful, you guys. You get some bobby pins, a rat tail comb, 2 clips that says Myfirstwig on it, some elastic band, really nice, a wig cap, but it comes with 2 caps actually, and you also get a mannequin head that you can see on the instructions manual. You also get this manual. It has some great information in it, how to help style your wig, how your wig comes, how to use the items that comes with it. Really great, really great. They also sent me their flyaways tamer that you could purchase off the site separately too. It's supposed to smooth away any flyaways that you're having at the crown area of your wig. So the wig that I have, it comes with 6-inch parting space. That's a lot of parting room. You get 2 combs, not really too close in the front, but it's not too far from the temple. You also get another comb in the back with your adjustable straps. The hairline does come pre-plucked, but the knots do not come bleached. But I went in later on and I bleached the knots myself. Here's the wig straight out of the package. I just wanted to show you what it looks like. So it's not one of those wigs that you just take straight out of the box, cut the lace and throw on. You do have to go in and flat iron the wig and bump the ends and cut the lace. The hair texture is silky. Let me not forget to mention that. And the luster is a really nice luster. You don't have to dim it down at all or add any more. Like I said before, the hairline does come pre-plucked. Yay! That's great for you beginners. So like I mentioned before, I did go in and bleach the knots. And then after that, I let the wig air dry and I bumped the hair on my mannequin head. And it is looking nice. I don't have any product on the hair but some heat protectant by Paul Mitchell that I use. So now I am just going to pop this on my head and style the wig. Ooh, look at all those flyaways at the top. Let's see how good this flyaway tamer is right now. While I was smoothing out the product with my hands, I noticed the feeling of the product is not sticky and it's not making the hair hard at all. It's just smoothing down the flyaways. Like, this is a really nice product. So for this review, I'm not going to glue down the hairline fully or like really halfway. You're about to see what I'm about to do right now. I just put a little bit at the side just so the little tab right there could hold down. I have to wait, let it air dry till it turns clear. And yeah, so I'm just gonna put 2 coats of that. Remember, not too much. Let me not forget to mention, underneath the wig, I have no wig cap on. I applied some powder underneath the lace where the parting is, and I'm just applying a little bit more on the top, mostly on the hairline. Wow, you guys, look at this bob. It is so cute. Oh no, I wasn't ready. Oh my god, wigs make me so happy, you guys. You don't even understand. Like, I'm going through so much right now, but this wig is just giving me so much life. Like, oh my god, look at it. You see the lust? Oh, I am in love. At first, I was like, why did I pick this? Like, can I even pull this off? But man, I feel so dope and beautiful. You guys, come on, don't fret on the bob. And the best part about this, the only work I really had to do with this wig, honestly, is bleach to knots. But to me, that's kind of easy because I'm used to it, but practice makes perfect, honestly. If you're a beginner, I don't know, don't practice on like a pricey wig. I don't know, but you know, what am I talking about? Oh yeah, bleaching knots. Yeah, that was mostly the only work I had to do. The thing came plucked. Like, it looks so great. Like, it looks like a parting, like a natural parting. The hairline came pre-plucked. What is there really to do? The wig comes cut. That's it, you guys. Let me not forget to mention, this is a left part wig, you guys. At first I was like, why isn't it on the right side? I hate left parts, but I could rock with this. can rock with this, boo. I'm in love. Love it. Texture, super silky. Size is very snug. The density is great for this bob. Not too thick, not too thin. If anything, it's mostly on the thin side, but I'm totally fine with that because it's looking great. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So, oh yeah. So far doing that, when I bleached the knots and washed the wig, barely any shedding, zero tangling. Yeah, it's a great first wig, great for beginners. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say, guys. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't like it. I love it. I love it. Blends perfectly. And I stopped the glue right here, so right here is just lace. Like, I don't want to pick it up and then rip the glue because I'm not sure if it's fully dried. I didn't really give it a chance to like super dry. I didn't even tie it down. So imagine when I do tie it down, how great it's gonna look. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.